In this video, I'm going to talk about an interesting utility project on HyperEVM, which is Hypersphere. Now, Hypersphere is like a bubble maps for HyperEVM. You can see this is their website here. So it allows you to search and scan new tokens that are yet to bond, and you can get some nice holder information about each token. So if you click on a bubble, you can see the contract address, the recent 24-hour change, the market cap, as well as the liquidity, and you also have the access to snipe the token straight up from here. But what you can also do is you can scroll down and you can see a token leaderboard, and this updates every 5 minutes. So you get fresh live blockchain data, and you can see all of the new token launches, and they are ranked here by market cap. And you can also see the new launches here. You can check out the dev by clicking on that, and it will bring up the spheres, which is the bubble map. And you can see whether it is a bundled token, if it has bundled wallets involved, and the top holders. You can also see the total supply of the token as well as the holder count and contract address. It will also only show tokens above $11,000 market cap. Now we can also scan for tokens. So if we want to scan a token, we can copy the contract address. We can then paste that into this box here and scan. Now this will show us the bubble maps view of the top 50 holders, and we can see what percentage each holder holds, which is very nice. We can then also see if it's got bundled wallets. This token doesn't, which is great. And you can see a list of all of the top holders, again with the percentages that they hold, as well as the contracts. We can also see the holder count, and we can see that the top 100 holders of this specific token hold 58.7%. So this is very cool. It's a nice utility, and I believe this was one of the first utilities to come out of HyperEVM. And what's really nice about this project is the dev is still building. So you can see here on their Twitter, they recently hosted an AMA, and they are going to be bringing out a launchpad as well as staking, which is very, very cool to see. So you can see the launchpad will be coming today at 1 PM UTC, spheres.fun. If you have a token idea, you'll be able to launch it on spheres.fun using the code SPHERE111. So only 111 creators can launch for free, which is an interesting thing that's happening. A launchpad and staking is very, very cool. Now, if you're unaware of Bubble Maps is an existing product on Solana. They have quite a big Twitter following, and they released their token on Solana. You can see this is their Twitter here. You've likely seen tweets about this before, where they talk about different tokens and the bundles that are going on within the tokens. And they released their token on Solana, and you can see it reached an $80 million market cap, and it is now steadily trading around 30 million. So this token has done very well on Solana, and Hypersphere, being the same kind of product but on HyperEVM, it is just sitting at a 740k market cap. I did also mention this project before. I've made a lot of videos on HyperEVM and Hyperliquid. I believe it was this one here. Hypersphere also seems interesting. It's one of the first utility tokens on HyperEVM. So you can see I covered this one before at 100k market cap, and we are now sitting at 770k market cap. So that could have been a nice 7x on your money right there. So let's see how this project develops. It is looking very good at the moment. You can see the chart is steady up and to the right. The token launched at the end of May. Just last month. And as you can see, it's been holding up very, very well, especially in comparison to some of the other early HyperEVM tokens. So it's nice to see that the chart is doing well, the dev is still building and rolling out some very cool features. So that is my overview on Hypersphere. I'll also leave a link to a sniper bot for HyperEVM so you can very fast and efficiently trade these tokens. And if you like this video, please leave a like rating. And if you want to see more crypto content like this, consider subscribing to the channel.